You won't believe the shimmer in this one. Watch how I create a metallic galaxy effect with stunning results. It's easier than you think. Welcome everyone to BCC Art Studio. I'm Billy, and today I'm going to show you how I made something like this with this effect. Now it's probably not going to be this shape, but I'm going to show you how I did the effect. Here's another one. So I'm going to show you how I did those effects. So let's get started. So first off, I have my black clay, and I conditioned it on setting 0. So it is the thickest setting. And I'm going to cut out my shapes. So I have my round shape here. And I'm also going to be using gel polish kit. It is a cat eye metallic nail polish kit with different colors and stuff. And what you're going to need is probably the round end of your magnet. And we will get started. So first off, I want to cut out my shapes and bake them. And this is Sculpey Premo, so the recommended temperature is 275 for 15 minutes per 1/4 inch. So I will probably be baking my shapes for an hour. If you get fingerprints on your clay, you can just rub it off, just like I'm doing now. Just rub it away, any imperfections. And I'm going to bake those for an hour, and I'll be back when they're baked. Okay, so the shapes are baked and cooled. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my colors I'm going to use. So I'm going to be using number 5, number 6, number 9, number 10, and number 11. And this is number 5. That is like a yellow, gold, green color. I don't know if you can see how well that is. Number 6. That is like a copper or red. Number 9. Oh, there's my copper. And you want to make sure you shake these really well. Number 10. It's a blue. And I may not use all of these colors. Depends on how much room I have. And this is number 11. And I will leave a link in the description below for all these colors. And that looks like a purple blue, maybe. So, and I'm also going to be using some magnets like this because just for the beginning, you'll see why. So to start off with, I'm going to take my number 5 and I'm going to just make a circle in the middle. And I don't think this is going to work on this circle for the middle. So that's why I grab this thing. And just pull that metallic up to the surface if I can. And I don't know if you can see that, but I can see it. So what I want to do from there is I'm going to cure that, and then I will show you, I'll give you a close-up. So that is the beginning of our galaxy. I'm going to do the same to this one. Trying to keep it in a circle as best I can. This is part of Friday with Friends. Before me, you would have seen Mary Kirk from Acrylic Art by Mary Kirk, and before her would have been Bill Robertson from Bill Robertson Art. You will find the playlist in the description below. All right, and cure that one. And you do kind of want to make sure these are fully cured. Give it a good minute to cure, because when you do your next step, you don't want your metallics moving around from your last step. Okay, so our next color will be number 6. And you do want to do one at a time. You're just going to paint right around that. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Just as long as you get enough around it. And you want to take your round one here, and you're going to hover over that and then pull away. Get as close as you want and then pull away. And then just hurry up and quickly pull that out of there, because if you do it slowly, it's going to spread out. And cure that. And we'll do the same to the other one. Now you can kind of overlap these too if you would like, you know, so it's not perfect circle. So once you get close, the closer you get, then it'll start coming in. All right, I think that will do, and I will cure that one. And then I will speed things up and you can follow along. I am now going to put this under the light for 2 minutes. It is now time for a top coat. And I will be using Let's Resin High Viscosity. Two minutes. Now, depending on which way you hit them with the light, it will change color. This metallic effect turned out like a shimmering slice of the cosmos, deep, dreamy, and full of cosmic drama. The metallics catch the light just right, giving it an otherworldly glow. Absolutely stunning. Like I said, depending on which way you use the light, you will get a different color. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to drop a comment, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thank you for watching, and happy pouring.